Hi guys, just a quick video, first one of 2023. Literally just to give you an update on what this year holds. Really exciting news. We've booked our European tour, the tour that we were meant to do pre-COVID. We're going on the 17th of May for a couple of weeks. We're heading down into Ypres in Belgium first night from Liverpool. We're going down to the B500, a place called Seebach, and then into Innsbruck, and then we're just going to play for a couple of weeks around the Austrian mountains, through the Dolomites. We're not quite sure about Switzerland yet, so it's all exciting times. I've also got a new camera because I lost, I don't know how or why or where, but I've lost my GoPro 360, so I'm using the new Instavolt to get some really good footage of that trip. And today's all about, as you can see, doing a bit of fettling on the bikes. On the GT, I've just had to tension my chain because it was a brand new chain with new sprockets. Done about 300 miles in it. It's loosened off, so that's all been tweaked up today. So that's sorted. I've just done an oil change. I've put new pads on the front, sintered pads. What else have I done? I've put a new front tyre on, but I think for the European trip in a couple of months, it's going to get 2 new sets of rubber, because they're going to get shot while we're away. And that's the bike I'm taking. Can't wait. That's an ace bike, as you know. But today's about, I'm just going to put another mod on here, so it's going to be the new Tail Tidy. For those who remember, this is actually the KTM Tail Tidy. What a waste of bloody 500 quid or whatever it was, 200 quid. I've got an EvoTech one to put on, so that's going on today. From when I last did the video, I haven't ridden this much, to be honest with you. It's been winter. Can't wait to get on it. I think I'm going to be doing more miles on this than any of the 2 bikes. That's the fun bike, that's the workhorse. Anyway, come back in a second. Right, so what do you think? Here we are, new Tail Tidy on. I'm well impressed, well impressed. I'll put a photograph on the before and after, but I don't know why KTM don't have something like that themselves. You know, the other one was like a monstrous contraption sticking out. Might just need to cut the lugs off them, tie them off a bit. It was a bit of a pain in the arse, to be honest with you, fitting it, because the OEM connectors had been replaced when the dealer put the new KTM PowerParts Tail Tidy on, which is like, why would a KTM PowerParts Tail Tidy need non-OEM connectors? So we've had to take them off and do a bit of rewiring, which was a bit of a pain in the arse. However, as always, EvoTech website, great for the instructions. They showed the wiring, all sorted out. Anyway, really chuffed with it now. So I suppose there's nothing else to do other than just the obligatory, let's listen to the exhaust for 30 seconds. Ready to race. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you'll start to get some channel material out over the next few weeks, few months. Happy days. Hope you're all well. Speak to you all soon. Thanks for your support. Cheers.